back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, y'all, welcome back to another video, you guys. I'm excited, y'all. I haven't picked up the camera to vlog in a long time. Today is Saturday, April 8th. It's currently 11:30 a.m. So I actually have to run to the post office because I have some things to mail out. I gotta run to Walmart because I gotta grab some stuff, and then I gotta shoot content for a brand, and I need to edit some videos and stuff like that for y'all. So that's pretty much what my day consists of. I already got dressed for the day, got my hair did, got my lashes on, did a little makeup. I did not film a get ready with me piece because I just didn't, y'all. So maybe I'll mix this with another part of the video, but I don't know. We're gonna see. So ride with me, vibe out, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me today. I will show y'all my outfit too. It's simple, it's cute, but hold on. So this is my outfit, y'all. I got some sweats on, these sneakers because it matches the little flowers on my thing, and shirt. Y'all, I got this necklace. My husband brought me this from Kenya, and then I got these bracelets he also brought me from Kenya. So super duper cute, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next part of the video now. So in this part of the video, y'all get to see me do wall decors for my home office, you guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I finally got the chance to do it. I actually ran to the dollar store. You could also get these wall stickers from Amazon, but if you're looking for something that will like up, you know, your office like atmosphere, baby, I'm telling you, I'm gonna put y'all on game. Get y'all some wall stickers. I actually did this too in my office, like my non-home office, my job, my work office, and y'all, everybody that comes in my office, like, they be so motivated, they be so inspired, they love my like office wall decor. So definitely try it. If you're on a tight budget, I definitely say you could go to the dollar store and find these wall stickers. But if you know you're not on such a tight budget, you could definitely go on Amazon and just search motivational wall stickers for office. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I love my home office. Comment below what y'all think, and let's go to the next part of the video. So these are all the things that I gotta send out, y'all. So y'all, so excited. So before I ran to the post office, I was like, let me pop outside real quick and check the mail, right? And then I got a package. I see this on the floor. I'm like, what is this, baby? Like, but I'm pretty positive I know what this is. It says it was supposed to come on April 17th. It ain't April 17th, baby. It literally came like days earlier. Like, today is the 8th. If this is what I think it is, y'all, I'm gonna be, I guess I'll unbox it for y'all on camera real quick before I run to the post office because okay. I'm about to sit y'all. Wait, I gotta grab a knife though to open it. I really hope it's what I think it is, because it's only one. It's only one thing it could possibly be, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all right here. Let me do this. I can't stay on my camera tilt like that. All right, y'all. I'm about to see if this is what I think it is, baby. It was worth every cent that I spent. You heard? I think it's what I think it is. It is what I think it is. Look it. I can't show y'all for. Wait, let me see. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Y'all know I love me some packages, babe. Oh, that is hard. Like, let me see. Ooh, that's so hard, y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait to show y'all what it is, because I just can't. But just know your girl got a package, and yeah, that's all I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna leave now. Well, I might need to bring some with me. I'm gonna take some with me because I'm excited. Look. Don't play, babe. Don't play. Don't play. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't motherfucking play. Okay. All right. See y'all. Bye. All right, y'all. So I made it out the post office, baby, and that was long. I'm about to show y'all this receipt. I say I can make a scarf out of this thing because of all the things that I had to mail out. So see, I can mail a scarf. I ain't complaining though. I was happy to do it. But now I'm about to head to Walmart because y'all know I gotta pick up some stuff to just pick up some stuff. So I'm bringing y'all with me to Walmart. Y'all know Walmart is anti-YouTubers. Nah, I'm just kidding, but I gotta get some stuff from Walmart. So I'm probably not gonna film in there, but I'll film when I get out. And I'm on FaceTime with my mama. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next part of the video. All right, y'all. So I decided, because some of the stuff I need Target has it, Walmart don't have it. So guess where I'm at? It's Target, baby. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I might try to like sneak and film in there, but y'all know how that goes. So I'm gonna see y'all either in Target or once I get what I need from Target. Oh my god, y'all. So I got some stuff I needed from Target, as y'all can see, but I'm about to tell y'all the tea. Okay, I need to get my mind right. Like, I literally wanted to like break down and cry, but I was like, no, it's gonna be fine. Like, I'll get through it. So I brought my bag, right? But I changed between handbags. So, oops, let me turn it off. So I forgot my physical cards, first of all, but I didn't realize until I got to Target. So I guess it is a good thing I ended up going to Target. If y'all know, Walmart do not take Apple Pay or electronic payments right now. So I was like, I guess it worked out that I can't even go to Walmart. And then when I got to Target and I was checking out, I was like, wait, now I remember why I was supposed to go to Walmart, because I needed to get cash back. So I'm gonna just have to do my Walmart run later, but I am about to head back home, y'all, because I also need to eat. I didn't realize how long it's been since I ate. I just ate like a breakfast sandwich. Yesterday I only ate once, I think, maybe twice. I barely ate. So I need to eat. I haven't been eating so that I could think straight, I could function straight. But I think I'm just focused on like trying to get stuff done, and I need to balance and make sure that I'm healthy and I'm doing good. So I'm in the car now. I am about to head home. I honestly don't plan on cooking today. It's not giving cooking today. I'm gonna cook tomorrow for sure, but I already know what I want. I'm gonna go to this Jamaican restaurant and get goat head soup that I love so freaking much. If y'all ever had goat head soup, comment below. Let's talk about it in the comments. If y'all never had goat head soup, then y'all should try it. And I'm gonna actually shoot a mukbang today. That's another thing that I remembered that I need to do. So today is gonna be a long day for me, but we got it in a bag. Like, we gonna get to it by any means. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I was feeling a little bummed for literally like 2 minutes. Like, I literally got teary-eyed and was about to have a meltdown in the middle of Target. But I was like, no, Mega, you gotta push through. You got this, baby. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next part. Hey, y'all, so this brings the video to pretty much an end, y'all. So in this part of the video, what y'all see me doing here is I was making content for a brand that I have a brand deal with, actually. So I was just like doing a test run pretty much, because I didn't want to get on camera and lie, and then I don't want to feel lost in what I'm doing. So I said, let me kind of, you know, just test the product myself and, you know, do a little practice video or whatever. But yeah, as y'all can see, it's the Javi coffee that I usually promote in my videos. And if y'all haven't checked out like my videos that I created regarding this coffee, make sure y'all go and check it out. Just search my name and then type in Javi coffee and y'all will see the content. But that pretty much wraps up this vlog. I didn't end up doing anything else. I have so many more other vlogs coming, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But I want to keep it short and sweet and keep y'all engaged pretty much. So as y'all saw, we did the office wall decor, we did a little get ready with me, we did a little post office run, I did a little unboxing for y'all, and then we did a Target run. Now y'all get to watch me create content for a brand. I I gave y'all it all in one video. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.